Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OnPay for employer payroll tax reconciliation step by step clearly. To begin configuring OnPay for employer payroll tax reconciliation, log into your OnPay account. Once logged in, navigate to the payroll section of your dashboard. Locate the tax settings tab within the payroll section. Click on the tax settings tab to open the payroll tax configuration options. You will see a list of available payroll taxes. Review the taxes applicable to your business. Select each tax that your business is responsible for remitting. Double-check that the rates for each tax are correct based on your local and federal regulations. Next, scroll down to the Employer Contributions section. Enter the contribution rates for any applicable employee benefits or retirement plans. Once you've completed the inputs, review all configurations for accuracy. Next, click the Save button to ensure your settings are stored correctly. Proceed to the Reports section to generate your payroll tax report. Select the time period for the report that you wish to reconcile. Review the generated report for any discrepancies or errors. If discrepancies are found, return to the Tax Settings tab to adjust the necessary rates. Rerun the report after making adjustments to verify correctness. Once everything is correct, you are now ready for your tax reconciliation process. Finalize your configurations by confirming all changes are saved. This completes the setup for employer payroll tax reconciliation in OnPay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.